We got woken up this morning with a stunning breakfast. Really spoiling us here in George. Good morning. Man, what a day we had yesterday. It was fantastic. I really enjoyed every second of it. We had a good night's rest last night here in our little cabin. Quite a busy street that we're staying on, but yeah, it is what it is. But we really had a good night's rest. Today is going to be an exciting day. We're taking the Seven Passes road, which is quite a long road which goes all along the mountain, and I'm really hoping it's going to be a stunning road. I've heard so much about it. There's a town called Karatara along this route. We are going to go past. I've been there once before, many years ago, but it was a small little place, tiny little place. So we're heading that way, and then we're going to go all the way around to Sedgefield, and we're going to be staying in Sedgefield in apparently beautiful little huts or whatever on the mountain with stunning views. So I'm really looking forward to that. So hope you enjoy this one. It's going to be another few episodes along this trip, so enjoy it and let's get going. Yeah, we're going to the Seven Passes road. I've been looking forward to this one as well. I look forward to all of them. I'm hoping it's a gravel road. Don't know if it is. I've heard it is, but that's second-hand information.
See, there's still a flood damage sign. Did you see?
No, I didn't. That yellow one. I didn't read it. Flood damage.
Road
Closed. Oh, but it's not. It's off.
closed.
It's not closed anymore.
You sure?
No, it should be in the road if the road's closed.
Well, I suppose certain people must still travel here, like these who live here.
And us. It's not a gravel road, but it's a pretty road.
Very nice. The garden continues.
That's for sure. It is closed. Wow.
Yeah, there we go.
Let's see if we can find a way around this. The plan is this. We're going to have to go back to the N2 and we're going to head to Wilderness. And at Wilderness there's a road that will go back, and it looks as if it's going to join in to this road that is closed. I'm just hoping that the flood damage is only in a part of it and we'll be able to get back onto it, and we'll carry on trying till we can see what we can do, till we can get back onto it somehow.
But Wilderness is beautiful, so no
Wilderness
worries.
is not a shabby place to see as well, so let's go there. This is the road on our way to Wilderness from George.
Busy.
Yeah.
Busy.
Oh, look at that.
Yep. That I remember from our childhood. Nice long stretch.
Amazing beach, eh?
Up ahead is George Road in Wilderness. The beach house spectacles.
This is a beautiful beach. I was here many yonks ago. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Beautiful beach, man. Wow, that's where we came down, that road over there. No wonder it's the garden route, eh?
I mean, it is just phenomenal.
Map of Africa.
What could that be?
Let's go and see. Can't see that view with all these trees here, but it's I'm telling you, it's going to be spectacular when it does come into view. Map of Africa. Now I've got to figure out where the map of Africa is. Okay, it's like this river type thing, eh? Is that the shape of it? Map of Africa?
Oh
Definitely, hey?
yeah. Oh wow.
Pretty.
That is brilliant. Unbelievable. Oh! How gorgeous is that?
Amazing. Fantastic. How's that view?
Wow.
This view is fantastic. Look at that. This is wilderness. Wow. If you come up to the map of Africa, you just 20 meters further, you get this view. Crazy, 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 crazy. Check how long this beach is. Just check how it goes. It just continues and continues and continues for kilometers. Stunning. We've made it on the Seven Passes Road. Yeah, my gamble paid off. We just had to skip the part of the road that was damaged with the floods close to George. Back on the gravel.